In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your finances or a freelancer aiming for better financial management, Zoho Books provides an intuitive platform to manage all your accounting needs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. This is your gateway into a comprehensive digital accounting world that helps you keep track of your finances efficiently. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the sign up button. Click this to begin the process of creating your free 14-day trial account. This trial is a fantastic way to explore the features and tools Zoho Books offers, giving you first-hand experience without any immediate commitment. Now you'll be prompted to enter your company details. This includes your company name, email address, a secure password, and your country. It's important to provide accurate information here to ensure your account records are precise from the get-go. Accuracy in these initial steps streamlines your accounting processes later on. After entering your details, you'll be able to log in using the email address or mobile number, along with the password you just set up. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard is an essential feature of Zoho Books. Providing a bird's eye view of your financial health, you'll find detailed insights into your company's financial operations displayed comprehensively, helping you to stay on top of your accounts effectively. Next, let's dive into managing sales. Zoho Books allows you to track your sales transactions effortlessly. This ensures you are always up to date with your sales status and customer interactions. You'll find tools to create and manage sales orders, thereby simplifying your workflow. Moving on to managing purchases, you can organize and maintain your supplier and purchase transactions seamlessly within the platform. This feature is particularly useful for tracking expenses and maintaining an accurate budget. As we continue exploring, managing items is next on our agenda. Zoho Books offers an easy way to manage your inventory, keeping track of goods and materials, which is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency. Connecting your bank account is another critical step. Zoho Books provides a safe and reliable way to sync your bank transactions, ensuring you have an accurate and updated reflection of your assets. Creating invoices and managing payments also becomes a breeze with Zoho Books. The system streamlines the process, saving you time and reducing errors, making sure you receive payments promptly. Let's not forget expense management. Organizing your business expenses efficiently is crucial for financial success, and Zoho Books provides all the tools you need for tracking and managing these expenses accurately. Finally, you can generate reports with Zoho Books. These reports are indispensable for understanding your business's financial performance, helping you make informed decisions, and strategically plan for the future. With these steps, you've now been equipped with a comprehensive understanding of how to work on Zoho Books, transforming how you manage your business finances.